Hello everyone, it's Mrs. Perillo again in the backyard. As you can see, my playset is behind me, but today I'm noticing some different geometric figures. How about those triangles right there? We have a way of figuring out what type of triangle they are. We just need to know what kinds of angles are in it. And I brought along a little tool to help us. If I can figure out if there are any 90-degree angles, then it'll make a square in the corner. So this is a little lid to a box that I had, and it will have perfectly 90-degree angle corners, so I can test that in the corners. If it's smaller than that, it'll be acute, and if it's larger than that, it'll be obtuse. So that'll help us figure it out. So right here at the bottom, I have exactly 90-degree angle. So that means that this triangle is automatically a right triangle. And the one over next to it will be as well. And that makes sense because I want to have a strong swing set, right? Look what else I found. The leaves are finally coming out. The trees are blooming, thank goodness. But also I'm back to my trusty shed door again. So let's check this out. Believe it or not, in this little section of my shed door, there's every type of triangle. Can you see? Let's see what you can see. Well, this one right next to me, this triangle here, we can see that this angle looks small, right? It's acute. And this angle down here looks small, acute. I could check them, but I know that this won't fit in there. Yep, it's smaller than 90. But this angle, that's bigger than my 90-degree, so that means it has to be obtuse. Well, as soon as I have one obtuse angle in my triangle, then that makes this whole thing an obtuse triangle. So we have one obtuse triangle right here. Now that usually we can see that across the intersecting lines, this triangle looks exactly the same, just a mirror image. So this one over here is also an obtuse triangle because this angle in the middle is obtuse. Now these ones on the top and the bottom, if I try and put my 90-degree angle in there, it doesn't fit because this angle is acute. How about down here? That angle is acute. And over here, that angle is acute. So that means that this triangle, because it has 3 acute angles, is an acute triangle. Isn't that an acute triangle? Aww. And opposite, the intersecting lines opposite, are also acute triangles. Now, I told you that all of the types of triangles are in this shed door. So where are those right triangles that I'm talking about? You need to think creatively here. Okay, I'm going to show you. One of them, if I put my right angle down in here, I want you to look up the whole side. Here, I'll put this down. Look up the whole side as one side of the triangle, and then down across here as the other side, and then across the bottom as the third side. So since this corner, ignore this line in the middle, pretend it's not there. This corner is a right angle. So therefore, the triangle made by this side and the bottom and this middle line is a right triangle. Even though this is an acute angle and up here is acute, since this corner is a right angle, then that whole thing is a right triangle. And that's true for up here. If you think about this way, and over there as the corner for that triangle, and down there as the corner for that triangle. So there are right triangles in my shed door as well. Hope you had some fun.